In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome, dear viewers, to our program. In this program, I want to tell you a topic. This topic is about cigarette. All we know, smoking cigarette is a very bad habit. Smoking leads to many deadly diseases. Some people begin to smoke for the fun of it. They think that's easy to stop all of a sudden. Some people get addicted to smoking and need to smoke cigarettes continuously. It is called chain smoking. When we sit beside a smoker, we unknowingly breathe in smoke. This is called passive smoking, which is equally bad for our health. Smoking is bad for our skin and causes cancer. Smokers have dark lips and bad breath. Constant smoking destroys our lungs. It causes mouth and lung cancer and slowly leads to loss of appetite. When we smoke the tobacco in the cigarette burns and we inhale the smoke, smoking gradually destroys our body parts. So it is a silent killer. Dear viewers, when we are sad, the good way for our sadness is that we recite the Holy Quran, pray to God. Do not use the cigarette. And also, this is our today topic. Have a good day. Goodbye.